Okay, so we're back and we're heading into what was the laundry room.
See how cool the store is. Very cool.
Very cool door.
Original
Yes,
door.
very cool door. So you can see we have stripped this back and they've dropped the ceiling and they've furred the walls, etc. We are going to remove that wall right there. And we are going to remove that wall right there. So this wall will retain, but it will become an exterior door there going into the workshop. The ceiling is going to go bye-bye. And we're going to go up to the original ceiling. And I think she took pictures that she'll send you that. But there's wood up there, actually. A wood ceiling, like a beadboard. And so this will become an exterior deck or porch, or whatever you want to call it. There's a window right there you can see. That will be exposed. So that's going to go into where the storage area is.
Show that the siding.
Siding you can see is the original wood lap siding. We'll just keep that and paint it. And you can see back in here, and again, I only took pictures of this, it'll be able to see better, but there's the original porch post. And over here, this window, we're going to make into, because again, we're losing it on the other side, but we'll keep this opening over here and put little shelving into it, I think, and just lose the sashes. And then you can see we also have the original porch post there. And an original, where's the other originals? Over here.
Oh, over there.
Over here. So we have this porch post, the one in that corner, and the one in that corner. So I obviously pulled this one out over here, but I'm not sure that there's anything supporting, because you can see here, you know, it's just a door frame. There's no jamb or king posts or anything there. And I'm not sure you can even classify that as bearing there. So I think they've just bared across. We can open up this whole side up and just keep the roof and the wood thing. There is, this you can see is a glass. And so exterior, it comes back to here, and then the wall goes that direction for the workshop. So all this will just get pulled out and we'll just wrap the corner around from the workshop here and just keep the roof overhang. So that's kind of on our agenda for today, is to tear this up. And then this is exposed, yeah. Probably should have gone the other way because you could see better, but anyway, we exposed, pulled out one floorboard so we could see what's in there, and this is all just floor joists. There is no concrete underneath there. I actually thought there would be, but there isn't. And it's literally just a back porch. It had floorboards, you know, deck boards, whatever onto it. So we're going to pull all this flooring up and replace it with decking, just like they did. And that will become our back porch.
In the olden days, they just dropped
You can just drop it. And so we've got that just so we don't fall through a hole. And that's what we're done. Anything else you want to add?
No, we're gonna put a lock on here, like a legit
Deadbolt.
deadbolt.
So
This will be the new outside door, like it used to be, the original outside back door.
So that's on our agenda for today. Ready?
Ready?
Let's go to work.